everybody, this is Daniel and welcome to my kitchen where I show you how to make tasty treats for you and your family. Today we are going to go ahead and make a lemon lime soda cake. So with that being said, I have 3 cups of sugar, 2 tablespoons of lemon extract, 3 sticks of unsalted butter, 5 eggs, some lemon lime soda, any lemon lime soda will do, and 3 cups of flour. So we're going to go ahead and get started by creaming our butter and sugar. Alright, now that our butter and sugar are creamed, we're going to go ahead and add our eggs one at a time. And in the meantime, I have my oven preheating to 325. If you have a light colored pan, go ahead and preheat to 350. Measure out our lemon lime soda. And we're measuring out 1 cup. Now the unique thing about this cake is the lemon lime soda is also providing the leavening agent in the cake. So next we're going to add our flour 1 cup at a time. And when using the steam mixer, just be sure to start off slow so you minimize the possibility of spreading flour everywhere. And you're going to mix well after each addition. We are going to prepare our butt cake pan. And we're going to give this a final mix. And don't worry if the batter appears curdled, that's totally normal. That will settle down during the baking process. Prepare our pan and pour that in and get it baked. Alright, so I have my butt pan and here is a tip tip for all of you folks that don't really bake. I've gone ahead and I've purchased a spray with the flour already in it. It takes a lot of the work out of greasing and flouring your pan. So I'm going to go ahead and spray that and make sure you get into all of the nooks and crannies of this pan so your cake doesn't stick. It's almost like spray painting. And that's what the inside of the pan should look like. All right, now that we've got our batter in the pan, we're going to go ahead and bang the pan on the counter a few times just to get rid of any air pockets. And then we're going to smooth out the surface. And then I'm just going to clean up the edges of my pan with a paper towel so that it bakes nicely. And we're going to put this in the oven for about 1 hour and 15 minutes, and I will see you when it's done. Hi everyone, welcome back. Well, our cake is done. It's nice and golden and looking delicious. So now we're going to poke some holes in the cake and we're going to pour some glaze on and let that set up. All right? Hi everyone, and welcome back to the kitchen. Show you how to make a simple glaze. So in my sifter and bowl, I have 3 cups of confectioner sugar. We're going to go ahead and sift that. This helps to avoid any lumps forming in the glaze and makes it nice and smooth. I hope everyone is enjoying the beautiful weather. Today it's nice and sunny, probably around 70 degrees today. I hope your weather is just as nice where you are. All right, and if when making this you realize that your glaze is a little too thick, you can add just a smidge more milk, and if it is too thin, you can add more confectioner sugar, about a tablespoon at a time. All right, and now we're going to attach that to our stand mixer. And for this, we're going to use the whip attachment. Now be sure, if you don't have a stand mixer, just use a regular mixer, but be sure to start on low, so that way it avoids your confectioner sugar flying out all over the place. All right, so we've got the mixer on low, and we're going to start by adding a half a cup of whole milk. Just going to stream that in slowly. Teaspoon of vanilla extract and 2 tablespoons of melted butter, and we're going to go ahead and add those as well. Hi everyone, welcome back. Now that our cake is cooled, I'm going to show you a little trick so we can get some confectioner sugar on there along with some icing. So we're going to take it on our rack and we're going to set it in a baking sheet, and we're going to go ahead and dust with the confectioner sugar. And the baking sheet collects all of that confectioner sugar, at least the majority of it. Now we have our icing. generously glaze the top, and whatever does not stay on the cake will go into the tray below. All right, once this sets up, we will move it on over to our cake plate and it will be ready to eat. I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you've enjoyed the video, please click subscribe, the like button, and the bell, and leave a comment. Let me know what you thought of the video. Thank you.